Good morning, free to be. Happy breakfast challenge. I wanted to come on because today is day one, and I wanted just to give you guys some easy tips and tricks and hacks for your day, for your morning, for your breakfast. So the breakfast challenge can really be what it needs to look like for you guys and for your goals. If you are a mama, if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, maybe that looks simply like a shake and greens. Maybe it looks like a probiotic, vitamins, greens, IONIX, shake. It just depends on what your goals are. I did want to show you one thing. I tried this new, it's called Triotic. It is a Zija product, so we purchased Zija like, I don't know, back in January. But this is a probiotic for ages 4 and up. So it's different than our probiotic, like our Isagenix normal probiotic Isabiome formulation. It is 4 and up. So you put it on your tongue, it's honeydew flavor. You let it dissolve, kind of reminds me of like a pixie stick, and then you swallow it and it's good to go. So if you're looking for a really great probiotic, it's not super strong, this be your go-to. If you're looking for something because you need some massive gut health, the Isabiome probiotic is also amazing. Hey, Amanda. So I wanted just to show you guys tips. So you got greens and IONIX. They both come in canisters. They also both come in packets. I have both because I love to travel with the packets. If you have the canisters and you're traveling, you can always put a scoop in just a baggie, take it with you, or a scoop of the IONIX, put it in a baggie, take it with you. If you have any hydrate, I love the lemon lime. I also love the blue raspberry with the greens. So I wanted to explain to you guys a couple of different ways that you can try these products as we go through the next 21 days. So I love this little cup. It has the little USB blender thing. So my 2 ways, actually I have greens like 3 ways. One is greens IONIX. And then to that combination, I add like a half a squeeze of lemon. Sometimes if I have lime, I'll do like a squeeze of lime. Sometimes I will put in the lemon lime hydrate or blue raspberry hydrate into that IONIX greens combo. And when I do IONIX greens together, that combo, I always do more water. Because for me, it just tastes better. Like it's more of like a sip drink. I can have it with a straw. I like to put some ice in there and make it like a green drink. Like I went to a juice bar, you know, I got this green drink. Today, I had my IONIX in my strawberry shake. So even though I do IONIX like 2 to 3 times a day, I usually spread it out throughout the day. So today, I'm just going to show you how I would do greens. So I have about 4 ounces of water, like cold water from the fridge, and I am just going to do 1 scoop of greens. If you've never done greens before, they are very green, like they're very greeny. They are organic, non-GMO. There's a ton of really amazing nutrition in here. 1 scoop is 2 servings of veggies. So you get a lot of great stuff like organic spinach, kale, pea, sweet potato, carrot, spirulina, apple, broccoli, quinoa, coconut water, chlorella, purple carrot, stevia, purple carrot, organic turmeric. All these really great things. They also smell, to me, like a lot of those really organic green things. So I usually will drink my greens with a lid on. I know it sounds weird, but I'm giving you guys all my tips and tricks. Or with a straw. So if you have a shaker cup, you would do 4 ounces of water in your shaker cup, put the greens in there. And then if you have, my favorite is a half of a lemon, like squeeze a half of a lemon in there. It makes it taste like a really fresh squeezed green juice without all of the time that it would take to make a really green juice. Today I'm going to put in 1 scoop of lemon lime hydrate. This is an electrolyte drink. It is 0 sugar. It is 10 calories, has amazing vitamins and minerals in it. So this for me kind of gives me some extra good stuff throughout my day. And all I do is literally put this lid on I had a shaker cup, I'd shake it. I'm just gonna push the little button and let it blend up. Sometimes I'll shake it too to get all the good stuff off the side. And this is my greens. So this would be if I was having greens by itself. You can also throw your greens into a shake. Some people like them in chocolate, some people like them in strawberry. Kind of masks the green flavor if you're not a fan of the green flavor. I wanted to, as far as IONIX goes, if you guys are doing greens and IONIX, awesome. If you are like, I like the greens and I love the flavor, but don't like the IONIX in the greens, that's okay. We all have different flavor palettes. But IONIX is great a couple of ways. I love this in a strawberry shake. It adds like a little bit more of a fruity flavor. You can add it into a vanilla shake and pop some extra cinnamon in there. It makes it very fall. It will literally taste like fall in your shake, in your mouth. It's so good. Another way is hot. So just simply 1 scoop into a coffee cup, pour some hot water from your Keurig or wherever, and have it hot like a tea. It will taste like a apple cider is what it tastes like to me. You can also have it in like 1 scoop in a small amount of water and just take it, you know, mix it up, take it back. You can do 1 scoop in a large amount of water, take it back. Sometimes in the afternoon, I love doing 1 scoop of IONIX with 1 scoop of blue raspberry hydrate. It is delicious. It tastes like a sweet tart. So there's a lot of ways to utilize these products. So it's day 1. So if you are trying to figure out flavor combinations, if you're trying to figure out how to get this nutrition in your body and enjoy it, it's key, right? Let us know. Feel free to comment below, comment on any of the Better Breakfast posts. And if you guys are looking for more information on the Breakfast Challenge, you can search hashtag Better Breakfast 2020 and more information will come up. We're doing some giveaways this week, so you'll want to stay tuned for that because they're really good breakfast type fun giveaways. And if you have any questions, just let us know. Cheers.